The AeroPilates Ballet Barre turns your AeroPilates reformer into a total body sculpting studio. The Ballet Barre workout will help you develop lean muscle while improving your flexibility, balance, and strength. The smooth wood ballet bar looks like a true ballet bar and attaches to your AeroPilates reformer the same way the Cardio Rebounder and footbar attach. Simply remove the footbar or the rebounder and place the ballet bar into the support holes and secure with the locking knobs. Once you've added the ballet bar to your reformer, you can adjust the height to accommodate your AeroPilates routine. Adjusting the height of the ballet bar is easy. Just turn the knobs, pull them out, and slide the bar to the desired height. Secure the knobs back in place and you're ready to begin your workout. The ballet bar is a great way to add a whole new workout routine to your reformer. With the bar, you'll be able to perform ballet moves like pliés, as well as non-ballet moves like dips and push-ups. The ballet bar standing exercises will help you tone your hips, buns, thighs, and legs. Upper body exercises targeting shoulders, biceps, and triceps will help you sculpt your arms. Bar workouts are a great way to get a dancer's lean, fit physique. The included DVD and workout wall chart will help you get familiar with a variety of exercises to get you started.